Hello friends, welcome to the video. In today's video, we will learn the basic Docker command that every Java developer should know. One of the prerequisites for this is that the Docker engine should be installed and running on your computer. So let's start with the first command, and the first command is docker image ls. This basically lists all the images registered in our local Docker engine. The second command here is docker image pull followed by the image name and its tag. For example, we write docker image pull Ubuntu latest. Basically, it pulls all the corresponding image from the remote Docker Hub servers onto our local Docker engine. The next command is docker image build with the -t extension for the image name and the tag followed by the docker file location. For example, we write docker image build -t, test is the image name, colon, latest is the tag, and dot specifies that this current folder has the docker file present. So basically this command reads the specified docker file and builds the docker image and then registers the docker image on the local docker engine. The next command is docker container run with the -d extension for detached mode, minus name extension for providing a container name, minus p extension for providing a port mapping, followed by the image name and tag. For example, we write docker container run -d minus name web1 minus p 8080 of the external world maps with 8080 of the docker image, and test is the name and latest is the tag. This basically starts a container with the specified name using the image name and tag provided with the appropriate port mappings in detached mode. So the next one is a very simple command, which is docker stop followed by the container ID or the container name. For example, we write docker stop web1. This basically stops a running container. The next command is docker container exec or execute followed by options followed by container name or ID followed by the command. For example, we write docker contain exec -it for interactive, vigilant brog is the container name, and bash root is the command that we are executing inside the vigilant brog container. So basically it executes a command inside a running container. So friends, these were the basic commands that you should know when you get started with working with Docker. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and also press the bell icon for notifications.